Okay, follow the controller P so you can find the two lines, the power line. The first one connect with this one. Many red lines. Okay, another one connect with the switch. This one, the switch. Yeah. First find the switch. Okay, this one. This line, the power line, connect it. 插上。然后你手放。So this line, the left signal and the right signal 插上。Okay, so you can see the signal, and this one connect with the switch. Okay, so this one is the home. The home, just follow the home. Okay, so I'll show you. So you can see power line, and this nice power line, and this one the switch. So connect with the left signal and the left signal. So okay, and this line is the home. Okay, the home. I'll show you. Okay. 好，这个放掉。And this lines, so you can see the two connect the set line. 插上那个侧灯。The set line. And this line, the set line. So you can see set line. One set line. 那边亮了没有？
没亮啊。
Set line and the set line and the C connect with the two headline. Find the two headline. 插上。Okay. Headline. Okay, the headline. The two headline. You can see. And this lines connect with the small lines. Okay. Connect with the two small lines. These lines connect with here. So, okay. And also these lines connect with here. Connect with it. Okay. And these lines, the two lines, the brake lines. These lines, the brake lines. Okay, the brake lines connect with here. Connect with the controller. Okay, controller B. 插上。Okay, brake lines, brake. Please wait.